Brian, come get your bird.
Let it come to you one more time.
Yeah. Go on now.
That'll be the last time because my ear will be missing.
This is too much.
I'm glad you guys are enjoying.
Go for it. Go for it. One more time. Pull her back. Go for Brian's finger.
Here, you should jump up on Austin's shoulder.
I will bring the dog.
Rolling. On the other shoulder.
I was gonna try to.
Here comes Brian to rescue the bird. Rescue Austin. Oh, he went right to him. Wow.
Hello. Thank you.
That
Get on the
is
shoulder, buddy.
absolutely awesome.
Get on the shoulder. You can do it.
Brian doesn't wear earrings, so he doesn't have to worry about.
There you go. There you go, buddy.
Yeah, he was going for it.
He kept going for my ear and
You're my friend.